Hey guys, in today's video, I want to share with you this one yoga pose that literally heals, boosts, and strengthens your immune system. It tones and sculpts your abs. Not only that, it also improves your body's digestive system, so it aids in weight loss, allowing your body to detox. It also tones and sculpts your buttocks muscles as well. Opens up the chest, heart, and lungs, allowing an abundance of oxygen and blood flow to enter your heart, chest, and lungs, and your entire body, healing and nourishing, and basically allowing your body to be more healthy and aligned. And did you guys know when we open up our heart physically, it also opens it up emotionally and mentally, allowing you to love more? And truly, you guys, once you've truly under and understand your true nature, you are infinite love. You are the most powerful vibration, infinite love. There truly is no lack. You are divine love, and once you truly love yourself, you love everyone and everything. So let's open up our hearts, our minds, our bodies to that infinite love, opening up our hearts to abundance, peace, joy, happiness, love, prosperity, opportunities, health, wealth, whatever it may be that you want. Remember, it's already yours. I'm also creating a longer video on this pose, and I'm going to share with you how to basically warm up to get into it, and also how to deepen it. But however, you do not need to go extremely deep to still experience all the benefits. So yeah, peace, love, and light from my heart to yours. And P.S. I really hope that this video doesn't sound like I'm whispering. It's just that it's 4:30 a.m. and I'm trying so hard not to wake up Tyrese and Kaden. So yeah, the full video, I'm working on it, so I will release it very soon.